Someone once asked Warren Buffett how to become rich. He didn't say work harder. He said stay close to excellent people, long enough for them to change you. Most lives don't change from effort alone. They change from proximity. The fastest way to upgrade your thinking is not reading more alone. It's arguing with someone better than you. When great minds meet, old ideas crack, new doors appear. Ever notice this? Put one focused person in a room, and everyone else either rises or slowly feels uncomfortable. Not because they're judging you, but because effort has gravity. Some people drag you downward, others push you forward. Spanish writer Cervantes once said, "Tell me who you are with, and I'll tell you who you are." So in the new year of 2026, choose people who activate you, people who bring light, courage, and clarity. Become friends with them, and you won't recognize your old self.